Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to download Brave browser in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, open any browser which you have. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Now over here on the search bar, search for Brave browser download and then hit enter. After that, over here you can see on the first link over here is Brave browser download. Just open this and now over here you can find this interface. Over here you can see get browser for Windows. That means it is already detected that I am using my Google Chrome from Windows. If you have Mac OS or Linux, you can just click over here Windows, Mac OS or Linux. For now, I am using this from Windows, so I'll click on this Get Browser for Windows. After that, you'll find this interface, and now you can see here is pop-up of my download from IDM. Now, just click on this Start Download. Yes, and after that, you can see here is Brave Browser Setup. So in this way, we can download Brave Browser on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.